Take a peek at this fantastic double lot in Satsop. This charming home has two wonderful lots with a potting shed, pump house, and shop. Inside the home is a built-in office area off of the laundry room, remodeled bathroom, and cozy living area. Attic is fully finished with OSB. Front of the home has a charming koi pond. Large deck to the side of the home is fully enclosed for a dog run. Around the back of the home you will be able to garden and get your starts going early in a generous potting shed. The detached garage is outfitted to have your perfect retreat. The garage stores pellets for the stove, a pool table, and bar create the perfect game day area. Connect the pellet stove and you'll be all set.